Let's add a tree from the Custom Objects section. Select it and enter Modeler mode. Scale it down slightly. Switch to the right view. Use Rect Select to select each segment and assign a new material to it. Return to Scene mode. Assign a color to each material. Add a floor object to the scene. Scale up the floor. Set a color for it. Select the tree and apply a circular clone. Adjust the parameters for the first circular ring. While the selection is still active, set up the second ring of the circular clone. Adjust the parameters for the second circular ring. Set a background color for the scene. Preview the result. Finally, switch to orthographic view. Adjust the view and render the scene. Wait for the noise level to decrease. Press pause and save the rendered image. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.